What is going on, guys? So we are back again, and we are going to be working on the GTR again, but I think in the last video I said that we were going to do the engine work, which we can't because my paint guy showed up, and we're going to basically do the engine bay here. So he's going to come here and shoot the engine bay so we can put everything back together, and then we can just get it to him, and then he can paint the rest of the car and do everything he needs to, just so it's movable. So that gives a little bit more work for us. So right now we are going to attach the lower control arms and the tie rod ends so that we can roll the car, and then we're gonna move it up to the front of the garage here a little bit so that we can degrease it, because the whole thing's gonna need to be degreased. As you can see, it looks like a greasy mess. So that's gonna be on our agenda today. We may, because we're gonna scuff it so that he can paint. So we may get to that in the video. I don't know yet. We'll see how time allots us, and we're gonna get to work. Now that that's all set, we'll be able to put the tires back on so we can roll it. But Noel went ahead and poured the purple powder that we got for the degreaser into the spray bottle so that we can get on spraying. I'm gonna pull the fenders off, and then Noel is already working. He's trying to pull this main wire through because it goes right through the fender well. So he's gonna get that taken care of, and then we're gonna put the wheels back on. We need to take it off because it's all on jack stands, so we need to get it off of the jack stands, and then we're gonna wheel it forward and we're gonna degrease it.
Say?
I'm having a hard time finding this last bolt.
Let's watch.
I'm going to show you guys some of the stupid problems you'll run into when you're trying to take apart like an older car. So we're trying to get the fender off, and then there's a bolt under here, but it's like the pinch weld was bent on it. So I had to like bend the pinch weld back so that I can get this on there to hopefully get it off, if it even works. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Alrighty, so we are gonna interrupt working on the GTR because we just got a package from Gretty. So this was the intercooler that we ordered about a month ago, I'd say. So we're gonna open it because I'm like a little kid and I can't help it. Oh shit. Oh fuck these things, dude. Oh God, Gretty.
It's fun.
Oh, hell no.
Just not good.
Come on. Light. Super light. I'm mad it doesn't say Gretty.
Yeah,
We could do better. Almost the same shit, but this one's a lot heavier. Alrighty, so as you see, my Gretty kit didn't come with much of a kit. It just came with the intercooler and a couple of, I don't know, clamps and shit. So it's like we gotta call them, contact them, because when I ordered it, it said kit and it has the picture with a full kit, and we didn't get a full kit unless it's coming separate, which wouldn't make much sense for them to send everything separate. So now we're gonna get back to the car. All right, we're ready to start rolling this. Well, damn. I mean, we were ready to start rolling it, but Noel already started. He has no chill, as you guys can see. So
About to go.
that's done. That's already done. So now we're gonna degrease the engine. Alrighty, so that came out pretty good. I mean, it's pretty soaked in there. So now we're going to get to scrubbing.
Going to Dubai.
Which I'm down to go to Dubai, but we're probably just gonna get to scrubbing and not get to go to Dubai. But yeah, so here we go. This is the tedious process to get all this grease up and all this nasty crap, because the GTR had a leak, so it was leaking from the cam seal and like 2 other places. So we got to clean all that up because it just all built up. A lot came up. I don't know if you're seeing from because of the different angles, but you know, down there, oh man, it was nasty. That shit was caked up, but it's coming along nicely. So we're gonna spray it, and then we're gonna do one more round of it, and we'll show you how the finished product. It came out pretty good so far. I mean, we're just going over it again because down there was really caked up. A couple of places on the rails there were caked up. So we're going to do it again, but I'm probably not going to record it. I'll just show you guys the end result because you already seen it. You already seen the process. We need to see it twice. So we'll show you how it comes out. Alrighty. So the car is back in here. It's drying pretty nicely, and we turn the heat on. We use the air, trying to dry faster. So we're probably gonna wrap it up today, and then next time we will scuff it, and then my paint guy's gonna come and paint the engine bay, so that we can put it all back together and then drive it to him so he can do the rest of the car. So that being said, if you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it.
Get the comment too.
Don't forget to comment. So we'll see you in the next one. Stay hustling.